Level 7 Diploma, in Health and Social Care Management. Course Overview. The objective of the Level 7 Diploma in Health and Social Care Management qualification is to develop learners' understanding of policy, management theory, and practice in health and social care. It provides learners with an opportunity to engage with the challenges facing professionals, services users, and policy makers in their own country. The qualification will develop and enhance knowledge and skills in the areas of leading change, effective performance, planning and accountability, development and team leadership. Learners will be able to work in a variety of roles within healthcare administration and/or management. Entry requirements for entry onto the Level 7 Diploma in Health and Social Care Management qualification. Learners must possess 1. An honors degree in related subject or UK Level 6 diploma or an equivalent overseas qualification. 2. Mature learners with management experience. Learners must check with the delivery center regarding this experience prior to registering for the program. 3. Learner must be 21 years old or older at the beginning of the course. 4. English requirements. If a learner is not from a majority English-speaking country, must provide evidence of English language competency. Equivalences. The Level 7 diplomas on the regulated qualifications framework are at the same level as master's degrees. However, they are shorter, 120 credits, and learners will have to proceed to the dissertation stage, 60 credits with university to achieve a full master's program. Qualification Structure. The Level 7 Diploma in Health and Social Care Management qualification consists of 6 mandatory units, for a combined total of 120 credits, 1,200 hours total qualification time, and 600 guided learning hours, for the completed qualification. For detailed information, contact us on +92 331 599 9937, +92 321 505 6755, or WhatsApp on +92 331 599 9937.